In the continuity of our topic, functions of central bank, today we will discuss the function of central bank, that is custodian of nations' foreign exchange reserves. This is a very important function because by this function central bank is representing our country in international money market. Okay, and under this function or under this role, central bank act as an agent of government in international monetary fund or in international money market. It buys or sells rupees or other foreign currencies in international market. By this function, central bank is performing the different type of exercises to which are related with managed floating. Okay, managed floating are the it is adjustments. Managed floatings are adjustments which are managed by central bank of the country with foreign exchange rate. It manages other kind of exchange control with foreign currency, and the main objective of the performing these functions are by performing the role of custodian of nations' foreign exchange reserves. Central bank trying to stabilize foreign exchange rate in international market. By this way, it is trying to make stable rate of exchange in foreign exchange market. Okay, or it is the main objective behind these functions is to increase the liquidity of the country in international money market, other than to promote exports of the country, because if foreign exchange rate it will be changed or fluctuate, in that condition export and import may affect adversely. So to promote exports, central bank is trying to stabilize the rate of foreign exchange. And the other function which is very important, that is to meet deficit balance of payment. What is balance of payment and how it may affect the economy of a country, we will discuss later in next unit.